Nice to have you here, guys. Welcome to this video. It's a really exciting topic. There is news from ADBL. I discovered a very interesting video on the Polish YouTube channel from ADBL that addresses exactly the issue that Andreas and I criticize the most about the brand. You know, I am personally a big ADBL fan because they definitely have very well functioning products. Fair prices as well. The fill quantities are right and the performance is good too. However, here comes the biggest point of criticism from Andreas and me. It's just too much. There are too many products in the range. Sometimes you have Glass Cleaner Pro, and then you also have the awesome Glass Cleaner. This is just one example. So you somehow feel that there are just too many products sometimes, and that raises too many questions, because I also sometimes really struggle to discover significant differences, and ADBL is currently addressing the problem significantly, and I think that's great. However, there are also a few minor drawbacks. Let's take a look at the video together. I'll give you my feedback on it. A few products are being removed from the range, and in the future, they may also be replaced. Some products are being combined into one product. There are a few name changes. A lot is going to change. And I think this is very, very exciting information for you as well. And let's take a look together at what is now being adjusted in the overall range. So let's dive in. Here we go. Hello, everyone. We would like to inform you about the changes in our product line to keep you updated with the latest updates and improvements. We are discontinuing the APC Pro and replacing it with the Reform, okay? The APC Typhoon replaces the APC Pro here. I definitely think that's great. I have been using it for a while now. I think it's really, really good. There will also be an extra video on it, but I want to gather a bit more experience first and not just throw out a video for you after one day, because I also need to have a level of experience with the product for myself. And I really have to say, so far it is absolutely top notch and can be used for so many things. Feel free to take a look at that. The list is so long. This is a really, really versatile all-purpose cleaner product, so definitely check it out. Instead of Glass Cleaner and Glass Cleaner 2, we will introduce Glass Cleaner Ultra, which combines the best of both products. Okay, so 2 glass cleaners are disappearing and being replaced by 1. I always found that a bit strange anyway. Glass Cleaner and then again Glass Cleaner 2. This should have been removed at this point. This is a typical example that I have always mentioned with Andreas. So it is definitely positive that everything here has been completely replaced by the Glass Cleaner Ultra. I haven't been able to test it out yet. I'm curious to see when it will officially be on the market. The scent here is fruit, so fruit is always good. I'm curious to see how it will perform. I can't give you any feedback on it yet. Mad Max will be replaced by Interior Mad Max. We are changing the name to clearly indicate that the product is intended for interior use. That has happened to me as well. You stand in front of your product wall and you still have interior, wow, and so on. You have the Interior Mad Max plastic and vinyl protectant. Interior is mentioned. This is actually just for identification, so nothing has been changed about the product because it is really, really good. You don't need to change that, but just to clarify, it is labeled here with interior. Micro Wash with the new reformulated Micro Wash Storm. I have definitely been able to try this out several times, even with polishing pads. It works really, really well and noticeably better for me than the microwave. The microwave was already good. I have used it here by the bottle. And the Microwave Wash Storm is actually a nice addition. So it has also been reformulated, which means it has a new recipe. It is clearly stated as well. So this is really a nice, let's say, replacement. They have definitely made a good step forward here. This is truly a very, very good shampoo. There will also be more videos on this. Tangy replaced by Shampoo B Acid 1. With an enhanced formula that will be even more effective at removing deposits and provide increased slickness. That's going quickly. We need to work on that. So the Tangy here is still being replaced. Now it is being replaced by Shampoo B Acid. So here is an acid-containing shampoo or an acidic shampoo, especially useful if you have very hard water, for example. This will be very, very exciting. We will definitely conduct some experiments with it. I am curious. I haven't tested it yet either. It's brand new. I first need to go through the launch here, so to speak, and that will definitely come to Germany as well. So it will be very, very exciting. I can read raspberry here, so in terms of scent, it should definitely fit. I'm looking forward to it. Shampoo is always great. I'm really curious. Shampoo and Shampoo 2 will be combined into one product. Okay, this is now my little tear moment. I found Shampoo 2 to be so good. Yes, such a cherry cola scent, right? And the scent was absolutely perfect for me. You know why? The insiders know it. And here is Shampoo pH Neutral, safe for sealants and waxes. I think that's also the case. It was kind of a predecessor. They kept it in because it wasn't replaced by shampoo 2, but that's exactly what I mean. All of a sudden, you have 2 shampoos. Which one are you supposed to choose now? And they will combine them now. Shampoo pH neutral. Okay, also shampoo pH neutral. So here you have a neutral shampoo and it has a cola scent. I think it's great that they have this cola effect included. Let's see if this differs significantly, because with shampoo 2, the cherry cola scent was definitely memorable in terms of the smell. And now I only have a cola scent. I'm also curious to see how that will look. I haven't been able to test it yet. We have replaced Tropic, SOS, EOS. Okay, so we know the product. I think it's really, really good. It's great for tar stains. We also tested it on the rim. It works very, very well and is definitely mild. It's not some kind of strong solvent-based product that fills the entire hole and makes you feel like you're about to pass out. So that's really good, and it needs to be clearly stated. So, Tarte and Glue Remover is basically leaving the market. I believe some of you have already noticed that this product, which many of you enjoy using, is somehow disappearing or has disappeared from Wash Guru. It's a very, very good product. A nice continuation, so to speak. Vampire Light is undergoing a change. It will soon be known as Vampire Elisio. It's the same effective product, but with a new name that better reflects its strength. Here, only the name was changed, and I can also tell you why. In fact, I received hints here, at least 2 or 3 in the last few weeks, that people kept asking which rim cleaner they should get from ADBL. Is it somehow a diluted version of the Vampire? And I always explained that no, this is the completely independent Vampire rim cleaner, the Vampire Light for the rim. It is the classic rim cleaner that he also knows from other manufacturers. It is not a diluted version or anything mixed with water or something like that. And to simply eliminate this issue, I believe these follow-up questions about this light always sounds like, well, just 1/10 of the performance. That's just a point. It's a marketing technical step to simply give the Vampire Light a new name. And that's what I will always say in my future videos. If I still make the light, I will always say here, it's now called Vampire Elixir, but I still have the old label on it, though the content is completely the same. And it also says here that only the name is changing. So, this is cool. It's great ADBL is doing this. We introduced Wheel Warrior Gel, reformulated for better performance. So, Wheel Warrior Gel, an acid-based rim cleaner. Now here, maybe also with a slightly more gel variant included. I think we can test that as well. I have the Warrior, the old version. I need to check if I still have it. I don't think I have it here. I need to take a look. But I definitely already have the gel, and it works very, very well. So here are also some new formulas included. Yeti Pearl will soon have our classic black bottle and black labels. Okay, Yeti Pearl is also getting the black bottles back. I believe that was still due to the Corona period, depending on how the plastics were available at that time. There were occasional shortages with the bottle manufacturers, and some manufacturers used different bottles or bottle colors in the large tanks so that their products wouldn't just sit in storage, and Yeti Pearl is now black again. The formulation remains untouched here, and Yeti Pearl does not need to be changed. It is a wonderfully neutral active foam. We have discontinued tire dressing and replaced it. Here I must stop right away. Tire dressing with cookie scent, I have been mourning that for a long time. And you are probably already familiar with the new product. With the reformulated tire coat, tire dressing will still be available in the Wheel Protect set, but only until stocks last. Okay, so you have seen that the dressing is still included here in the tire set, because this was the set that had everything for the tire, including the rim. But when that is sold out, it will be gone. That means you will only have the Tiger left. And what does only mean? It really performs quite well. The scent is absolutely fine as well. I have already passed on the information here. I would love to have this as a shampoo scent. Let's see what ADBL can come up with. They are really restructuring right now. They want to go all out. They are really pushing hard. We don't really get to see what's happening over there in Germany. I only hear about it indirectly. So it's really intense what's going on. Finally, we want to inform you that 5 products have been completely discontinued from our lineup. Some of them may come back to the market, either in modified versions or improved versions. I think ADBL will definitely bring something back in terms of wax, and I believe there is also potential in this area, but you can also use the Typhoon. Shampoo Glass and Tar have been completely replaced, so I believe it will be very, very exciting with these 2 products. Yes, and that brings us to the end. I must clearly say that I think it's good and right that ADBL is doing this here now. It came completely unexpectedly. Oscar here from Washcook had forwarded me the link and said, "Hey Sebastian, take a look. At ADBL, you are really making a move in the area of product quantity. And that has always been my biggest point of criticism as well. And Andreas says it's too much, but I think they are on the right track. A few things will be replaced and some other products will be taken off the market for now and maybe reformulated later. There will simply be improvements in the future. We will continue to monitor it, but I think they are on the right track to streamline the whole process a bit. It's a shame that shampoo 2 is disappearing. I hope that the new shampoo or the new formulation can somewhat make up for it because it's in my top 3 favorite shampoos. Super, super unfortunate. But we will take a look. I believe ADBL is definitely working on creating new cool things here, so it will definitely remain exciting. Until next time. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave your feedback in the comments below, 2001, and we will see each other again next time. Yours, Sebastian. Ciao, guys.